Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile and unlock your Facebook profile. The first thing to do is to log into your Facebook page. You click your Facebook icon on your PC or on your phone, then you log into your profile. Please take a look at this profile. This news page, news feed of my Facebook account. So the next thing to do is to go to your account profile. Now you can click your picture or your name depending on the kind of device you are using. If it is phone, it's only your picture. If it is PC, you see your picture and name. So now we are in my profile. Now the next thing to do is to look at these three dots, click it. Now see, you see the drop down lock profile. So the next thing to do is to click lock profile. When you click lock profile, your profile will not lock automatically. Facebook will show you what will happen when your profile is locked. And it shows that only friend will see the photos and posts on your profile. Those who are not your friends will not be able to see them. And also, only friend will see all your resolution profile picture and your cover photo. Those who are not your friend may not be able to see your profile picture and cover photo. Now, the next one is that people who are not your friend will only see a maximum of 5 profile details. Maybe your name, and maybe another detail, maybe your profile picture will be shown to them also, but they will not have access to all your profile. Now, what to do is lock your profile. Click lock your profile. When you click lock your profile will be automatically locked. Now my profile is locked. Just click OK. The only friends can be able to see some of the details, not even all my profile details. Some of the details, only friend will be able to see them. Now, if you want to unlock, it's still the same process. When you log into your Facebook page, you will automatically be directed to the news feed. This is my news feed. You automatically be directed to the news feed. So the next thing to do is go to your account profile. Click the picture or your name. It will direct you to account profile. And when you get your account profile, this is what you do. Look at these three dots again. Click it. You see, unlock profile. Then when you click unlock profile, Facebook will also show you that if you unlock your profile, those who are not your friends will have access to some of your profile details. And look at it. Then you click unlock. When you click unlock, look at what will happen. More people may see the photos and posts on your timeline. More people may see your full-size profile picture and cover photo. You can share photos and posts with anyone who is not your friend. You can even share it with page, okay? And more people may see your profile details, your date of birth, your place where you're working, your likes, your videos, the videos you like, the audios, the music, all those things on your profile. People that are not your friends can be able to have access to it. Okay, so let's click unlock profile and see. Now my profile is being unlocked. My profile is unlocked. Anyone now who is not my friend can have access to more profile detail than when I lock the profile. Okay, so please subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so that when more videos are uploaded, you will be able to have access to it. Okay, so thank you, have a great day. Okay.